A healthy and balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle, influencing both our physical appearance and bodily functions. Did you know that nutritious foods might help delay or prevent Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's is a growing issue, affecting over 6 million adults in America. Prioritizing brain-healthy foods can be crucial in defending against this neurological disorder, which leads to memory loss, cognitive decline, and impaired daily functioning. While the exact cause of Alzheimer's is unclear, it likely results from a mix of genetic, lifestyle, and environmental factors, including abnormal protein buildup in the brain. Although there's no cure, a diet rich in antioxidants, B vitamins, flavonoids, polyphenols, and omega-3 fatty acids may help slow its progression and support brain health. The best 5 foods for Alzheimer's defense. 1. Raspberries. Raspberries are a sweet tart summer treat loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and dietary fiber. Rich in flavonoids like catechins, anthocyanins, and quercetin, they help combat oxidative stress, a factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Raspberries' anti-inflammatory properties can reduce neuroinflammation, promoting better brain health and cognitive function. The vitamin C in raspberries may also help alleviate symptoms of cognitive decline, while their fiber supports a healthy gut, which is linked to improved behavior, cognition, and mood. 2. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, offers significant brain health benefits. It may boost neurogenesis, aiding in the development of new neurons, which is crucial for brain health and protection against neurological disorders. Curcumin's strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties further support brain function. In Alzheimer's disease, beta-amyloid plaque buildup in the brain is a key issue. Curcumin may help clear these plaques, potentially slowing the disease's progression and preserving cognitive function. Additionally, curcumin protects the brain from neurotoxicity caused by chemicals, oxidative stress, and heavy metals, helping to prevent conditions like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 3. Walnuts. Looking for a healthy snack? Try walnuts. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they support brain cell structure and function, potentially protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Walnuts are also packed with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, which combat brain inflammation and boost blood flow, enhancing brain signaling. By improving blood flow, walnuts ensure the brain gets the nutrients and oxygen it needs for optimal health. Adding walnuts to your diet can help protect against brain decline and strengthen your defense against neurological diseases. 4. Tuna. Tuna is a versatile fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like DHA and EPA, which support brain health by maintaining cell membranes and enhancing connections. Regularly eating tuna may improve memory and reduce Alzheimer's risk while also benefiting cardiovascular health, which is crucial for proper brain function. Tuna is also a great source of protein, essential for neurotransmitter production, supporting motor function, mood, and cognition. Additionally, its vitamin D content has neuroprotective qualities that may lower the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. 5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is derived from the bark of trees from the Cinnamomum species. It has been used for years both as a traditional medicine and as a flavoring agent in many recipes. Cinnamon contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals that can contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Cinnamon may help boost cognitive function including attention and memory, due to its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, which is great for brain health, especially for health issues like Alzheimer's disease. Cinnamon also contains powerful compounds such as cinnamic and cinnamaldehyde acid, which have been attributed to possessing neuroprotective qualities. Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease that affects the brain and causes cognitive decline, change in behavior, and memory loss. While there is no major cure for Alzheimer's yet, there are treatment options that can be adopted to prevent its development and slow down its progression. A healthy and balanced diet is one of the ways to support brain functions and prevent diseases. Foods to enhance the defense against Alzheimer's include walnuts, cinnamon, tuna, turmeric, barley, and soybeans.